Tired of bulky smartwatches, but still want all the essential health and fitness features right on your wrist? Look no further. Introducing the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, the latest evolution in affordable and feature-packed wearables. The Xiaomi Smart Band series has long served as a gateway into the wearables ecosystem, offering a surprisingly deep set of features for a fraction of the cost of full-fledged smartwatches. But with the new Smart Band 10, Xiaomi is no longer content with just being good for the price. Instead, it's pushing boundaries on design, tracking intelligence, and platform integration in a way that signals how far budget fitness bands have come. At first glance, the Smart Band 10 doesn't radically depart from its predecessor, the Band 9. But the changes, while subtle, are meaningful. The AMOLED display gets a bump to 1.72 inches, now with thinner bezels and a 60 Hz refresh rate that makes animations feel smoother. Peak brightness climbs to a retina-searing 1500 nits, making it perfectly readable outdoors. For something that still sits on the slim side of 11mm thick and weighs just 15.95 grams without strap, this is about as immersive a screen as you can ask for on a sub-$40 fitness tracker. The upgrade extends to aesthetics too. Xiaomi now offers the Smart Band 10 in not just metal finishes like black, silver, rose gold, and green, but also a high-gloss ceramic edition in pearl white, purple, and gray. The ceramic version is heavier at 23.05 grams, but adds a touch of luxury that's rarely seen at this tier. While the Band 9 had a limited ceramic special edition and remained exclusive to China, the Band 10 brings more color options and makes ceramic a regular variant. It is also expected to launch globally as well. Xiaomi has outfitted the Band 10 with a new 9-axis motion sensor, up from the 6-axis system on the Band 9, allowing for more nuanced detection of activity and posture. This means your running form, strokes while swimming, or even minor shifts during sleep are tracked more accurately. And yes, it still covers over 150 workout modes and supports swimming with 5 ATM water resistance and 96% accurate AI stroke recognition. The band goes deep into fitness metrics like VO2 max, training load, recovery time, and real-time pace. You also get 10 running programs preloaded for guided workouts. For cyclists, the ability to broadcast heart rate data to other Bluetooth devices makes it a surprisingly capable companion for more serious training setups. Sleep tracking has seen a rework too. Beyond the typical breakdown of sleep stages, the Band 10 now includes a 21-day sleep improvement plan developed with sleep experts. Combined with continuous heart rate, SpO2, and stress tracking, it begins to feel more like a holistic health assistant than a step counter. The integration with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 platform is another area where the Smart Band 10 starts to punch above its weight. It connects not just to Xiaomi smartphones, but also to tablets, earbuds, TVs, smart home devices, and even EVs. You can control media, adjust volume, snap pictures remotely, find your phone or tablet, and respond to calls with quick replies, all from your wrist. An upgraded vibration motor brings customizable feedback, and there are fun extras like mini games for killing time and watch faces that feel more dynamic. While Wear OS devices still rule in terms of depth, Xiaomi's lightweight platform is getting smarter in the ways that matter day to day. Battery life is another stronghold for Xiaomi's bands. Despite the larger screen and faster refresh rate, the 233 mAh battery still delivers up to 21 days on a single charge, or 9 days if you enable always-on display. Charging takes about an hour via the same magnetic dock as before. Pricing remains characteristically aggressive, about $38 for the standard edition, $45 for the NFC version, and $53 for the ceramic model. So if you're looking for an affordable, stylish, and highly capable fitness tracker that keeps you connected and informed, the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 is the smart choice. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.